0. It's assumed to be 0 from this is where we always get our population. Remember, mu and mu x bar are the same value. So that's from 0. Divide that by sigma, which we said a second ago was 4.8. In this problem, divided by the square root of n, which is known to be 40. Perfecto. If you do all of that out, you should get approximately negative 2.77. Try it, do it. Should get negative 2.77 there. Should get negative 2.77 there. So we are, hey, all right, right there, hey, there it is, negative 2.77. So then we ask ourselves, hey, we got to plot that guy. Well, that looks to be right about here, negative 2.77. I know what you guys are all screaming out there. It's in the critical region. Alert! It's in the critical region. Holy crap. It's right there. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? We have to make a decision now. We're on to step 6 and 7. We're in the critical region. So Carla, once again, what are we going to do? If we're in the critical region,
We
reject or fail to reject? If we're in the critical region.
reject.
We reject. And what we reject, what do we reject? The null hypothesis. We reject the null hypothesis because we're in the critical region. We reject this guy, which means the evidence does not support the null, which means the evidence must support the alternative. And there are claims in the alternative, so the evidence supports our claim. We rejected the null, the evidence does not support the null, the evidence supports the alternative, and the claims in the alternative. So the last part is the evidence supports our claim that mu is less than 0, or that the diet works. Because think about what it means for a diet to work. For a diet to work, your mean weight loss should be negative. People should be losing weight if a diet works. So this is suggesting that the mu is not 0. This would mean that the diet doesn't work. It means you do all this stuff and your mean weight loss was nothing. So you want this to happen if you're taking that diet. And this evidence shows that you got a negative 2.77. It was in the critical region. So the evidence supports the fact that the mean weight loss is less than 0, that it works. There is one problem. That's when we know sigma. So when we come back, we will do another problem. Yeah, this must